I set out to prove a black man could receive a fair trial in the suit, that we are all equals in the eyes of the law. That's not the truth, because the eyes of the law are humanized. So until that day, we have a duty under God to seek a truth. I want to tell you a story. I'm going to ask you all to close your eyes while I tell you the story. I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to yourself. Go ahead. Close your eyes, please. This is a story about a little girl walking home from the grocery store. Suddenly, a truck races up. Two men jump out and grab her. They drag her into a nearby field and they tie her up and they rip her closed. Now they claim on. First one, then the other, raping her, shattering everything innocent and pure with vicious trust in a fog of drunken breath and sweat. And when they're done, after they kill her tiny womb, murder any chance for her to bear children, to have life beyond her own, they decide to use her for target practice. They start throwing full beer cans at her. They draw them so hard that it tears the flesh and they wear to her bones. Then they urinate on her. Now comes the hanging. They have a rope. They tie a noose. Imagine the noose going tight around her neck, and with a sudden bleeding jerk, she's pulled into the air, and her feet and legs go kicking. They don't find the ground. The hanging branch isn't strong enough. It snaps and she falls back to the air. So they pick her up, throw her off the truck and drive out to the Foggy Creek Bridge. Pitch her over the edge. And she drops some 30 feet down to the creek bottom below. Can you see her? Her raped, beaten, broken body, soaked in their urine, soaked the semen, soaked in her blood, left to die. Can you see her? I want you to picture that little girl. Now imagine she's white.